So I decided to tape this because it's just going to be a whole lot easier. In my case, we have to go back about 10 years when I had shingles that entered my ear, and I ended up with Ramsay-Hunt syndrome, which paralyzed the left side of my face. It's like Bell's palsy, except that they know what causes it, which is shingles. I had to take almost a year off playing because I couldn't get any buzzing out whatsoever. So after close to a year, I was finally able to get some sounds out. I had to hold this side closed when I played, but it was a start, and I've been working on that ever since. So I joined Precision Brass because I wanted to tighten up my embouchure and also get a better range once I was able to get rid of all the air escaping. You'll notice when I talk that my right side is more animated because there's still residual weird stuff going on with the left side of my face. But I digress. Anyway, so it's been great because I have noticed being able to play stronger in the range, which I already had, and I can go up a little bit higher. But my endurance is also much better, and it's not the regular kind of endurance that you get just from playing more and so that you can play more because you are playing more. But with the VAS, I notice a difference in being able to play more and being able to play in the upper limits of my range when I do it properly, and I remember to apply the different principles. So that has been a major win for me. I also, one of my other goals was to be able to play jazz because I never really played improv in front of anybody. So I have done a little bit with Harrison. So I've started. I know a couple other people wanted to be able to do that also. So we will all get there together. So those are the wins that I've had so far, is just being able to be stronger and being able to have a tighter embouchure and get some of those exercises to work on that. But then I'm kind of calling this what I didn't know I needed, because what has also made a big difference is just the learning more about the airflow and the breathing, which has helped in the last couple of weeks. I've noticed a big difference. And so the fact that Harrison is so passionate about education and the mechanics of how Trumpet works, and he really cares about our progress, those are things, the personalization of it, I was totally not expecting. And so that is, that's just, I picked the right program. So that's a good win too. Anyway, I'm going to be done. Everybody have a great time, and I'll see you on a call.